Okay, so hey guys, this is 20th of February and let's go forward with this Leetcode daily challenge and let's see what we have got today. So find unique binary string given an array of string given an array of strings nums containing n unique binary strings each of length n. Return a binary string of length n that does not appear in the nums. So finally a question which is not which can be done without backtracking after a lot of days. Fine. So we are given an array which contains basically n strings of length n. See, the possible strings of length n, the possible binary strings of length n is 2 raised to power n, right? But only n strings are given, so we have to return any string which is not in those n strings. So we have these much options: 2 raised to power n minus n. Out of these strings, we have to return any one of them, right? So what we can do is, see, one option is creating all the binary strings possible of length n, and then finding the first string which is not there in the array and returning it. But won't it require a lot of time to generate all the strings? But yeah, that's one of the approach. We can find of something else also, because I think there should be something, because there are a lot of options we have, and we don't want to go in that thing that finding all the options and returning a single option in bigger inputs. It will be taking a lot of time to first like generating all the strings and then finding that string also. Maybe the last string is the answer, so that will take a lot of time. So that's one of the approach obviously, but can we try something else? Yeah, what we can do is, for example, let's say we have these two strings, right? We have these two strings, and out of these two strings, what we can return for now? Okay, there are four possible strings of length 2. So either we can return 0 0 or we can return 1 1. Both are valid answers, right? But how do we form these answers from these two strings? See, we go to each input, sorry, each element of this given array, and what we can do is, like if we are at the ith number, then take the ith index of the string and flip it. Like take 0 of it, flip it, and take 1 of it, 0 of this second element of this string and flip it. It will give us 1 1. That could be the answer. Let's try this same thing with this one. Okay, we have these three elements. First element of this and first element of this string also. Okay, so it will give us, after flipping it, it will give us 0 0. After flipping the second element of the second string, we again got a 0, and after flipping the third element of third string, we again got a 0. We got a length 3 binary string which is not already in the array. We can return anything, right? That's just one of the way. And why are we sure that this will not be in the array? Is because we are making sure that every string has at least one different point as compared to answer. Okay, if this is the answer, this answer is being made by comparing it with every element inside the array, and at least we are flipping one character for every string, right? So it cannot be same with anyone. If we flip this first character to the first character in answer, then how can it be same, right? So this is the point behind this, that we are basically making it different from every element in the input array to make sure that it does not appear in the array. And obviously if we are just flipping it, if it is 1, we are making it 0. If 0, we are making it 1. So obviously it will be a binary string of length n, and which is not in the answer input array, and that's what we want. So what we can do here is that We can run the loop and we can also store the answer in the nums 0 only. Like we don't need to, or we can also make an answer like int answer. Oh, not int answer. We can say string answer is an empty string initially, and I0 to I less than nums dot size I plus plus. Okay, so we can do is answer plus equals to, if the ith element of ith character of ith element, so if nums I element and ith is its character, if it is 0 then we will get 1, and if it's 1 we will get 0. Perfect. We are flipping it and just returning the answer here. Oh man, this was so easy. This was so easy. Like, maybe there are other approaches, but what can be better than this? I don't know. Because this is, I guess, the best and fastest. And that was like, that seems to be a very easy question now. Because there must be some conditions in upcoming versions of this question. Like if it's a similar question, is there's no other version of this question, but there must be, because there must be some condition put in, because currently we have a lot of options out of which we can take this, but even if we had that answer will never be incorrect, because we are making it different from every input element. After that we are making the answer, so it's just safe from all the sides. So that is the answer, and that's basically really easy. So yeah, that's it.